Welcome to the Breakout EDU game. Lost Letters of Liberty. Your teacher has just returned from a trip to New England with exciting news for the class. While she was visiting an historical inn overlooking Boston Harbor, she stumbled upon an old locked box and a letter written by Abigail Adams, one of the Daughters of Liberty. The inn owner was very intrigued and asked for help to figure out the combination to the lock on the box. Your teacher immediately thought of you and your classmates and asked if she could borrow the box and enlist the help of her students to solve this mystery. The inn owner was so excited to have someone able to help that she agreed and is eagerly awaiting the results of your findings. Work together to solve the mystery of what's inside the box. This game uses the following locks set to the combinations you see here. You will also need these other kit items. Here's an overview of the game. Print out all of the items from the Digital Resources folder. From Thomas Paine's quotes, highlight the following letters with the UV Invisible ink pen and cut the quotes apart. Then place them around the room for students to find. Place the Sons of Liberty flag and the bull artifact inside the small lockbox and secure it with the directional multi-lock, the ABC multi-lock, the key lock, and the 3-digit lock. Now place the lockbox with all of the locks as well as the rest of the printed resources and the UV flashlight inside the large lockbox and secure it with the 4-digit lock. Place the letter from Abigail Adams next to the large lockbox. This will begin the game. To begin the game, students read the letter from Abigail Adams and find the number words 2, 1, 1, and without a single, which stands for 0. This opens up the 4-digit lock and reveals the contents within the large lockbox. The rest of the clues can be solved in any order. Tape or glue the stamped envelope template addressed to Paul Revere to an envelope, and inside it place the letter from Sam Adams regarding the Stamp Act boycott and the advertisement inviting the local stamp collector to the Liberty Tree. When students read the letter and put the pieces together, they should come up with the conclusion for the word lock, stamp. For the directional multi-lock, students take the 5 articles from the newspaper, put them in order of the events that happened, and then inside the articles they will read the directional words of up, down, left, up. By now students have found the quotes from Thomas Paine around the room, and put them together with a letter from Thomas Paine. They will see that the word key is bold, and the words see the light are also bolded and underlined. This should give the students the conclusion to shine the UV flashlight on the quotes. Once they rearrange the quotes in the correct order, they will find that the quotes spell out, "Find what you seek near the flag," from the UV flashlight. For the 3-digit lock, students will need to go back to the newspaper article about the Boston Tea Party and pair that with the letter from Samuel Adams discussing with the Sons of Liberty that they were going to dress up as Mohawk Indians and dump the chests of tea into the harbor. Students will notice that the word all in the letter is bold and underlined. They will then need to do a little bit of research if they don't already know that there were 342 chests of tea dumped into the harbor. Once the last lock is removed, students will open the small lockbox, revealing the contents within. The bowl belonging to Paul Revere, who was a Son of Liberty, and the Sons of Liberty flag. So students now know that this box belongs to the Sons of Liberty,